This video will be about the night journey, and the first stop will be Hyderabad. I know that many of you will get very emotional when they hear the sound of Yes, I know. Most of you have traveled in a Pakistani train or Indian train because the sound of the train is the same. I know that. And many people are addicted with this sound. Also, I am addicted. It feels so soothing. Soon we will reach Hyderabad. The train is 15 minutes late. So we will reach Hyderabad 15 minutes late. Looking forward to seeing Hyderabad. I've never been to Hyderabad. Inshallah, when I come back from Punjab, I will try to visit Hyderabad. Okay, let's see if I'm able to buy Multani Halwa at Hyderabad railway station. Many viewers ask me which camera I use. I use my mobile or GoPro 4. Awesome quality. And I always film in 4K. So this is what you cannot do in the Netherlands. The door is open and I'm filming. I mean, this you cannot do in the Netherlands. I'm not saying this is a wise thing to do. आगे बोलो यार, आगे बात करो। जी जी वो नजर नहीं आ रहा, नजर नहीं आ रहा। This is Hyderabad station. This is for me seen from the movie. I'm seeing this for the first time in my life. And the train has arrived at about 12:30.
आपके सामने से अपने सिग्नल रेड है, अभी ग्रीन हो जाएगा।
अच्छा। So they say that it will stop for 4 minutes. Let me run and
आगे मुंह करके उतरा करें, जब भी उतरा करें उल्टे नीचे सीधे जाएंगे आप।
Sorry.
आगे की तरफ मुंह करके उतरें हमेशा।
Thank you. So he gave me advice when I step out of the train. यार कुछ हलवा वलवा नहीं है, क्या है दिखाई जरा।
हाँ दादा
कितने का है?
300 रुपये किलो से।
ये 30 रुपये
जी। हलवा अच्छा बहुत टेस्टी है।
खालिस?
हाँ अच्छा हलवा।
बिकॉज वापस तो नहीं आऊँगा ना, पता ना आपको।
आप चेक कर लो, खा के चेक।
बिकॉज आई विल नॉट कम बैक।
नहीं सर अच्छा हलवा। कितना दबे लो?
भैया डब्बे यार
4-5 कितने करने
खुदा का खौफ करो यार,
दो तोहफा लेके आ रहा हूँ, बांट देना क्या है?
ये 2 देना यार, बस यार, फिर आ जाऊंगा यार।
कौन से लाके?
तो दिस इज हैदराबादी हलवा,
ये मुल्तान
मुल्तान का हलवा। अच्छा,
मुल्तान
तो यार मुल्तान में भी रुकेगी ना यार, मैं यहाँ वहाँ से क्यों नहीं ले लूँ
क्या
सस्ता?
अच्छा वहाँ सस्ता नहीं, वहाँ महंगा मिलेगा।
नहीं नहीं, सस्ता खुदा की कसम, आप मरवाओगे यार
नहीं
कसम से।
नहीं
वहाँ सस्ता मिला तो ही सेज दिस इज मुल्तानी हलवा।
चाह देना भाई, नमाज पढ़ेंगे।
Okay, I bought it for 300 rupees for one box,
वन बॉक्स।
and he says it's cheaper here than in Multan. I don't believe him somehow. I don't know. Shukriya. So I'm going back inside Hyderabad. This is Hyderabad station. So just enjoying my few minutes. So what more can you buy here? Water, chips, biscuits, bangles, and pickles. You can buy pickles. Okay, I think I should go inside. I have always wanted to visit Hyderabad and many other places in Pakistan. But I only come to Pakistan for 3 or 4 weeks, so I do not have enough time to visit all the beautiful places. Inshallah next time. In my next video of Greenline journey, I will show you the breakfast in the train and beautiful scenery of Sindh, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Do share my videos on Facebook. Last but not least, I always look forward to hear from you, so do give me feedback.